The property we're on was actually settled by ancestor back in the 1800s, early 1800s, by the name of Andrew Seneker, who came down from Virginia. And through the generations, land exchanged hands throughout the family. Ultimately, it came to my father, Paul Stone, and he farmed. Jason came to him about putting a sign on the barn, and it's been in there for a long, long time.
It's been a special thing for me to have that sign hanging on the Stone family barn for so many years. It's going to be a little sad to have the sign go away, but couldn't think of anyone better to pass it on to than the University of Tennessee.
We're getting ready to take it down now, though.
This may be the most impactful mural we've done so far. We're right on Interstate 81. Anybody that enters the state of Tennessee, the first thing they're going to see is our new mural.
You think about the community of Bristol, you think about the state of Tennessee from Mountain City to Memphis. Everywhere you look, UT, whether it's doctors or nurses, whether it's school teachers, everywhere you look, someone from the University of Tennessee is influencing life in this state. That's important. It's our flagship university in the state of Tennessee. Everywhere you look, UT welcoming people to the state of Tennessee is going to be a great thing.
Our son, Mike, after he had been out of high school for 10 years, decided to go get his architecture degree. And it was so nice that he could just be 2.5 hours away from us. Mike has changed so much since he went to UT. He was a very quiet, soft-spoken fella, and now he's an adjunct professor. It opened up so many new horizons for him.
And when I became president of the University of Tennessee, I wasn't quite sure what we meant by everywhere you look UT until I started getting to know our university. And literally everywhere you look, UT is there. In every county, there's an extension office. Our 4 major campuses, our research centers across the state, everywhere you look, the University of Tennessee is making a difference in the lives of Tennesseans everywhere.
Everywhere you look, UT.
Everywhere you look, UT.
Everywhere you look, UT.